What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox another ClassD amplifier. This is not a 2.0, this is a 2.1 amplifier and very compact one. You can see this is a box packing, and I bought this from Flipkart. I'm going to give the link in the description below, and you can find this thing from my tag product also. So let's open this up and check it out. I'm going to tell the price later. So this is the amplifier itself, and it's completely assembled. As you know, this kind of amplifier comes in a unassembled with all the stuff inside of it. You gotta assemble this thing, but this thing is already assembled, and I'm having a doubt that this thing is already sold before and it's a return product, I guess. So let's check it out if this thing is working fine or no. So right, so no user manual, anything is there in the box packing. This is the power adapter connector and screwdriver, of course, and this is the amplifier, which is having some kind of mark on this side. Anyway, so this is as I told you, this is 2.1 amplifier. As you can see, the right channel, left channel, and that's the subwoofer, a DC 12 volt to 24 volt power supply. That's the auxiliary input, and main volume, bass and treble for left and right channel, and this is the subwoofer volume and subwoofer frequency is there. That's a very nice thing. You get the subwoofer frequency, so you can adjust the bass according to your need. Right, so as everything is already assembled, I don't need to work hard, but of course I'm gonna open this up, this top panel, and gonna check out the circuit board, of course. Right, so this is the circuit board. That's the main power amplifier chip. I'm gonna check it out later after I test it. That's the capacitor, pretty good size capacitor of 35 volt and 3300 MFD. And this is the main volume control. As I told you, it's a 10K potentiometer, and the bass trebles, all of them, rest of them are 50K potentiometers. Here you can see straightened subwoofer channel, bass treble. This part is a preamp. This is preamp section, and here you can see the model number CAMT21. Audio input aux plus Bluetooth, but I don't see any Bluetooth. Oh yeah, this thing has having Bluetooth right here. That's a Bluetooth antenna, and that's a Bluetooth chip right there. So this thing has a Bluetooth, which is a nice thing. Yeah, so here voltage 12 volt to 24 volt, channel 2.1, 50 watt plus 50 watt and 100 watt subwoofer, current 9 amp, and speaker impedance left and right 4 to 8 ohms, 15 to 50 watts, and subwoofer 4 to 8 ohms, 15 to 100 watt, Bluetooth 5.0. Right, so this unboxing goes wrong as this thing is not working at all. So I'm gonna return it to the seller. And the seller did the bad thing. He sent me this defective product on purpose or whatever. But the Flipkart should take care of this kind of seller. And here I have removed this heatsink, and here you can see two ICs are there. These two are the amplifier IC, and I have found the IC number. Here you can see HT326C. That's the IC, and it's a high efficient 20 watt ClassD amplifier, 20 per channel, 20 into 20, and the other IC is same. So this thing is going to work as a bridge amplifier, I guess. So that would be 40 watt, and this thing 20 plus 20. So actually you get the wattage of 40 watt for the stereo channel and 40 watt for the subwoofer. The total wattage should be like 80 watt max RMS. That's it says as the IC number, as I told you. So the 50 watt per channel and 100 watt subwoofer, that's you're not gonna get. But if the preamp section is good and it has high gain, then you'll get loud and heavy sound. So that's it. Now, as this thing is gone, I'm gonna order the new one and we're gonna check it out later. So that's all for today. But I'll tag genuine product from Flipkart and you may check them out. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.